how to turn off text chat in Roblox. So before we begin, start your Roblox game. Now on the home screen, tap on Roblox, then tap on More, scroll down and tap on Settings. Next, we tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. In here, tap on Communication, then tap on Experience Chat, and then select Off, and then for Direct Chat, also select Off. So make sure both of these are turned off, and that way, when you go into Roblox game, chat will not be available. Okay, so in the game, if I tap on this chat icon, it says chat is not available, you can only view system messages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.